YouTube, I'm Shir. I have a food channel, but today I'm going to talk to you about my hair care. I have a Pixie cut, as you can see. I have it for over a year now and I really like it. I think I'm going to keep it and not grow it longer. So I have a really bleached hair, and in order to keep it in the right shade, I have my hair routine that I do to maintain the color and maintain the bleach and keep it soft and well, I guess. Because bleach dries your hair and it opens the hair itself and then it does not look good. So my hair look relatively healthy, I think, even though it's been through a lot. So I'm going to show you what products I use. I live in Berlin, Germany, and most of the things that I bought were on the M drugstore, which is one of the biggest here in Berlin, the most common. This in Rossmann. I usually buy my stuff there, and I have one product that is from Israel, but I'm going to look for links for you guys, and it will be in the description below, whatever I can find. If you want to see how I got to this color, here you can see the video I did about how to dye my hair purple. Let's go to the daily care of my hair. I wash my hair with a silver shampoo. I tried some kinds and I have two that I prefer. One is from here and one is from Israel. The one from Israel, it's this. I actually ask people to bring me this when they come to Berlin. It was originally made for men, older men that have silver hair, so to maintain the silverness of it and to avoid yellow parts, as like the sun and the air pollution makes your hair be more yellow, and the water maybe. And then they just changed it. They didn't write men on it. So it costs 30 shekels usually in drugstore. Sometimes there are discounts, and yeah, I can link below to the product. I already found it. I really like it. It's not good for your hair. It dries it. Then you have to use a mask. When I use it like once in 2 weeks because it dries your hair a lot. So I use it as a mask. I just put it on my hair. I use it as a dye actually. Just put it on my hair like all over it and leave it for 1 hour, and then I wash it. And then of course you need a hair mask. So I recently bought a new mask because my old one that I bought last year in Israel, I finished it. So I needed to find an alternative. The things that guide me in finding a mask for my hair, for it to be white because I mixed color in it, and for the smell to not be too strong. So I bought this one. I got recommendations about this series online. It is with aloe vera. It's Garnier. I bought it in the M. Probably there's like online of it. I'm going to look for it. It's for normal to dry hair. It's vegan aloe vera hair food. So it's 390 milliliters. It costs, I don't remember, I think €4 or something like that. It looks the best option. So whenever I buy a new mask, I always mix it with some, with some hair dye. Now it looks weird. I need to mix it again. You can see it's like really pale. This is why I need it to be white, because otherwise the shade won't be as good as I wanted it. So I mixed some of the plum that I used in the hair dyeing video. So like a really small amount, because this is a strong pigment. It has a really strong pigment. So be careful with it. Start with a bit and then continue if you don't like the shade. This is the hair mask. I only used it once, but it was really good. When I wash my hair, not with the silver shampoo, I used this. This is a no salt shampoo. A lot of salt in shampoo takes off the color of your hair. So if you dye your hair, you want to use a shampoo without salt. Also bought it on the M. It's the M's product. You see color glance. It says this. It's good for hair shine maybe. It's without silicone, it's vegan. It doesn't have a really good smell. I don't like the smell of it, but I use it in between washes. I don't wash my hair so frequently. Twice a week usually. And the other silver shampoo that I like is this one. This one I bought, I think, on Rossmann. I don't remember the price. Don't remember. It's quite small, but it is relatively strong. It has a really good smell. I also use this from time to time. I think it dries less your hair, but in general, silver shampoos makes your hair a bit dry, especially the ones that work. Strongest they are, better they make your hair look, but the worse it makes your hair feel. So always when you use silver shampoo, use a good mask. It doesn't have to be colored, but it has to be white, either white or purple if you have silver, or purple like me. So let's continue. After the hair wash, I use oil because the hair loses its natural oils when you wash it. So it's really important to give it some more oil. I usually don't put on the scalp. Usually avoid the scalp. I just put it on the hair itself when the hair is damp and not really wet. I put this and then I just blow dry it, and then it also keeps it from drying again. So I highly recommend that. It also gives the shine back to the hair. Really like it. This is a nice option, but it's yellow, so I recommend to try another oil that has no yellow color. You see the color? I use a really small amount and I mix it, and then maybe it loses its yellowness, but I definitely recommend to use oil without a color, transparent. It's argan oil, which is really good for dyed hair and bleached hair. So this one also from on the M, it cost I think €3, $2.95, but it lasts for a really long time because I have really short hair and you only use really a bit, so it's like, yeah, like this. I wash my hair, I go to sleep, and then I wake up in the morning and my hair looks like this, because this is how you look in the morning. Actually, it looks nice right now. And I have spritz bowl and I mix it a little bit of this shampoo, just so it would be a bit purple. I don't know if it makes anything, but I like to think it does. So I just like spritz a little on my hair, and then I go with my hands or with a comb and comb it to the way I want it to be, or just like move my head inside and makes it more interesting or messier or more organized. It depends on the look I'm going for. But yeah, this is a new thing. I just did it. So yeah, this is my product routine. Again, I'll put some links in the comment below so you can try them yourself. Tell me what products you use to take care of your hair and what is your hair care routine. And I hope you like this video and I hope it helped someone. And if you have questions for me, you're more than welcome to ask them in the comment below. And I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like that, also comment below, like the video, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos. I have to say that my channel is mostly about food, so if your basic interests are food and hair, then this is the channel for you. But yeah, most of my videos are about food. So I hope you liked it and I'll see you next video. Bye!